Hello. This is week number 1, expectations for Calculus AB. Number 1, I would like you to complete the Getting Started video, which should be in the Getting Started button over to the left, top button on the main menu for this class. Number 2, please complete the AB questionnaire and email it back to me. Number 3, complete section 2.1, rates of change and limits. When you finish that section, please complete the assessment 2.1 and also complete section 2.2, limits involving infinity, and complete the 2.2 assessment. Section 2.1, this is what is expected that you should know by the time you're done with it. You should be able to look at a graph and be able to tell what the limit is going to any part of that graph. For example, part A, it says, what is the limit as x approaches 3 from the left-hand side? Well, if I'm going to 3 from the left-hand side, I'm coming along this line here, and it looks like my answer should be 3, because it's the height. The limit at any given point is the height of the function at that point. What is the limit as x approaches 3 from the right-hand side? So I'm coming from the right-hand side now, and it looks like the height of it, when I come from the right-hand side, would be -2. Part C, what is the limit as x approaches 3? Well, the definition for limit that you'll learn in section 2.1 is if the limit from the left and the right-hand side are the same, and it is defined there, then that is the limit. But they are different. So the limit as x approaches 3 does not exist. What is f of 3? Well, what this is saying is if you plug 3 into the function, what would you get for an answer? Well, you would get +1, because that's where the function is defined at 3. What is the limit as x approaches 2? Well, this is an algebraic type where you would have to use some different methods to solve. This one, I would probably factor it down if I could, and it looks like the top factors down to x plus 2, so one of them can cross off. Does it factor to that? I don't think so, because that would be a 4x in the middle, so I guess it doesn't factor. So all we'd have to do is plug the 2 in and see what our answer would be. That's just the algebraic way of doing it, just plugging it in. Section 2.2 is the limits as x approaches infinity. Okay? Now this looks like a really difficult problem, but if you read my notes, I give you a real easy trick to find the limits as x approaches infinity. I hope you guys have a great week, starting off for the week number 1. If you have some time, Wednesday we're going to have a session at 12 o'clock. Hope to see everyone there. Bye.